How to read and analyze a passage to determine cause and effect. Introduction. Understanding cause and effect relationships in a text is essential for comprehending how different events and ideas influence each other. This guide will help you read and analyze a passage to identify these relationships, recognize the language that signals cause and effect, and understand the overall impact of these connections. Step 1. Read the passage carefully. Start by reading the passage thoroughly to get a general understanding of its content. Step 2. Identify cause and effect signal words. Look for words and phrases that indicate cause and effect, such as so, because, since, therefore, as a result, for this reason, as a consequence, and results in. Step 3. Determine the cause. Identify the event or idea that initiates the situation. Ask yourself, why did this happen? Step 4. Determine the effect. Identify the outcome or result of the cause. Ask yourself, what happened as a result of this? Step 5. Analyze the relationship. Consider how the cause leads to the effect. Understand the sequence of events and how one influences the other. Step 6. Summarize the cause and effect relationship. Write a brief summary that explains the relationship between the cause and the effect in the passage. Sample passage. Due to the increasing levels of air pollution in the city, many residents have developed respiratory problems. Since the industrial factories have been emitting large amounts of smoke and chemicals into the air, the quality of air has significantly deteriorated. As a result, the local government has implemented stricter regulations on factory emissions. Therefore, some factories have had to reduce their production rates to comply with the new laws, leading to a decrease in pollution levels. Read the passage carefully. Understand the context of air pollution and its effects on residents. Identify cause and effect signal words. Due to, since, as a result, therefore. Determine the cause. The industrial factories emitting large amounts of smoke and chemicals into the air. Determine the effect. Residents developing respiratory problems and the local government implementing stricter regulations. Analyze the relationship. The emissions from factories caused the air quality to deteriorate, which led to health problems among residents. This, in turn, caused the government to implement stricter regulations, forcing factories to reduce production and decrease pollution. Summarize the cause and effect relationship. Increasing air pollution from factories led to respiratory problems among residents, prompting the government to enforce stricter emission regulations, which resulted in reduced factory production and lower pollution levels. Identifying cause and effect relationships in a text enhances your understanding of how different events and ideas influence one another. By reading the passage carefully, recognizing signal words, and analyzing the sequence of events, you can clearly see how one event leads to another. Practicing this skill with various texts will improve your ability to comprehend and analyze complex information.
This has been a production of DNJ Designs and Mathman 1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos are uploaded, click on the bell.